in this section, we're going to be looking at Gemini, which is Google's famous AI app, which is going to be put out on Apple devices in the next 6 months, 12 months. They're already 18 months behind with their AI. So we will see. Now, on this occasion, I do have Gemini downloaded already. So you can get it through the App Store. You can get it through the search for it on Safari. So we're just going to run it with a few tests, slightly different to the ones that I've run on the other things. I will be keeping the photo enhancement test as it is. So what do we have here? We have a new chat. We have trending tools. We have explore gems. So I'm going to go into the new chat, into your prompt here, which is the correct terminology for when you're asking AI to do something. So I'm on this occasion going to ask it to tell me how to get from Mycenae House to Charlton Station by foot. So this is a test of how it works with their maps. So we'll see. Okay, so that tells me how to walk there with term-by-term directions, I presume. So I'm now going to ask it to present this as a map. We'll see if it does that. This gives me the answer. The text-based AI cannot directly display a map image for you. However, I can represent the most likely walking route. How much? Okay, so that doesn't work. Will it translate it? What can I translate it into? Okay, I'll be boring. I'll say translated into French. Only this time I'll spell it correctly. So it has done it. So what I want to now do is get it to download it to my device. Can you download the French? I really can't spell French tonight. Instructions. A printable file. Okay, so what's he doing now? So it's not answered the question. You load printable French instructions. my device, and if not, why? We'll see what it does. Okay, so it can't do that, although ChatGPT could and Claude could. It can't download the French instructions because I am a text-based AI model. Right, okay. So it's a fundamental limitation, and it advises to copy the French text provided, paste it into a program on your device, use that program to save and print function to create a physical copy. So I don't really think that's very good, but okay, we'll go on to something else. I'm not holding out great hopes for this, but what I'm going to do is just drag in that photo. I have to do this another way. So we'll go down to, so I can see if I can see it in recent, not in recent, desktop, and we'll just look at desktop. I'm going to try another way, which is to copy and paste it in. Can you correct a photo? And if this is not possible, tell me. Oops, I'll try this again. Give me instructions of how to upload it. Okay, it wants to know some information. What kind of corrections does your photo need? The photo is a very old Polaroid of a cat on it. I'm using a MacBook Pro. So it takes us back up to the top of the screen, more or less, again, which we don't want, but that's probably me having not done something. Okay, so we have some instructions. So it tells us, has a whole list of things that we have to do. Save the corrected version. No, don't want to know that yet. Okay, so it's telling me it's a wonderful subject. Since we're using MacBook Pro, you already have excellent built-in tools for basic photo correction. Well, they're not that good. Here are the instructions for common corrections. So using MacBook apps, it tells me, so please take note of that. Right, let's see what has to be done. And now I'm going into the desktop and I'll try and find a photo. I'm then going to either move or minimize. I can move. Okay, it can't do it, which is very odd because Google are known for their photo enhancement technology. So I'm going to call it here. I will look into this more. Obviously, if you have a Google phone, you won't have to worry. Gemini does seem to be weak in many ways. Before calling it, I'll just have a look and see what the trending tools are. Image generator, or basically nothing there that I want to use and that's any use to us in this instance. So I'll call it there, and we may revisit this when things are sorted out more.